The chief will come and
everybody will go.
Salaam alaikum.
Please, you can have a seat.
Salaam alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh once again. As I told you, we are in the palace of Chief Muslim Ghana Adangbe Chief. He is our Sheikh, our Chief Sheikh Sultan. And he's very glad to see us here. I've just briefed him why we are here, and he's very, very, very glad he is with our brother in this house. So we don't want to waste much time. From here, we are moving about 4 or 5 places. So we would like the chief to help our leader so that we make the presentation, and then the chief will say 1 or 2 things, then we all depart to our next destination. Thank you very much. Mr. Muin and our brothers who will be helping so that the chief will assist, then we do the donations.